was like red.
Yeah, that's just a light effect we have in there. Makes it look like an afterburner.
Dad, what? That's cool.
Yep.
Alright.
I don't really think I need my glasses. It's not that bright.
You want me to taxi it?
No, I'll do all the taxi. I'll take off and then I'll give it to you. Basically, as soon as it's off the ground, then it'll be good to go. Alright, so
Timer cleared.
clear the timer. Plug it out of the dang way. Camera's on. You ready?
Yep.
Alright. So I'll take off, and then just as I turn around and come back this way, then I'll give it to you.
Alright.
I'm going to do a quick takeoff.
Takeoff flaps.
I have my thing set.
Yeah, just set it at half.
Gear up. Flaps up.
So just as soon as we're coming back this way, it'll be yours. Alright?
Got it. Tell me when it's fine.
It is you flying right now. Oh, hold on, let me turn my gyro down. There we go. It's up too high.
It's actually really fun to fly.
It is. It's pretty easy, isn't it?
Yep.
Just don't go into the sun.
Time remaining.
Okay, I'm gonna take it for a second.
I'm
gonna show you something.
59
Let's do.
seconds.
This is something you can try.
Uh-huh.
All right, so this is a trick that I do that's pretty fun. I can show you how to do it. Watch my hands. So I'm gonna go up like that. Look at my hands. Throttle off, and then that.
Oh, wow.
Want to try it? Did you see what I did?
Yeah.
Okay, you can. Don't worry about it. I mean, we'll start high.
Is it mine?
I'll give it to you in a second. You get it trimmed. It's a little out of trim. There you go.
Because if something goes wrong, he uses his buddy box.
I'll take it back over. Are you ready?
Yep.
That's you.
Alright.
Then pull the throttle back and do that. There you go. See how easy that was?
Yep.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. Just got to go faster and it'll do it. But. Stay away from the sun. So if we're going to do tricks, make sure to stay high.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
See,
Time remaining.
now I'm going to take it.
44
When you do
seconds.
that flip, you got to have
You got it?
speed. Yeah, I'm taking it. So you go up like this, you go full speed,
Uh-huh.
then you kill it and do that. But you have to have speed. You can't do it with none. Otherwise, it just kind of lazily flops over. All right? So, no, you're going to fly it. I'm going to have you do it. I want you to do it right.
Alright.
So, we got to go full throttle coming back towards us, and then
Okay.
slowly pull up, and then do the trick and kill the throttle, okay? You ready? It's yours now. Full throttle. Okay, climb, chop the throttle and hit it. There you go. That's
Time
close.
remaining. 13
But you
seconds.
got to push
10,
up into the corners
9.
like that.
Oh,
8,
open
Okay.
the corners?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it again?
Let's do it one more time.
5, 4, 3.
If you pull back, it doesn't do it as violent, but you got to
Alright.
push
Time
up
expired.
into the
Alright.
corner, okay? And then, but you got to pull throttle back. So full right rudder,
Right rudder?
and then full down and full left. Okay? Ready? So go full up. Throttle off and do it. There you go. See, that's it. Right there. That's it. I took it.
You got it now?
Can't hear. Yeah, I have it.
Alright.
Jeez, that thing's loud.
Was that a good one?
That was good. That's it.
Alright, perfect.
Let's
Are
do
you
one
ready?
more.
You do it.
No, I want you to do it.
Alright. Then, Mike, I want to see you land.
No, he's not landing. I'm going to land. But I'll let you do that trick one more time and then we'll come in.
All
All right?
ready?
So you take it.
Got it.
Okay, so come on around. You have it, you flying. Yeah. Come on around, give it full throttle now. Okay, start climbing. Kill the throttle and kick it, hit it. There you go. That's it. See, that's it right there.
I like that move.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
See how easy it is? So you just let go, everything comes back. All right, I'm taking it.
Got it?
Yeah, we're coming in. That was you. You did it. Good job.
Thanks.
See, it's not hard. Only thing different about jets is that they fly faster.
Yeah. What kind of receiver did you get in this one?
This is a lemon. Actually has a
Landing
gyro built in. I'll send you guys the video link. I'll put it up on YouTube.
I might want to get one. Wait, what's your YouTube?
I'll send it to you. It's Guniac33. Oh God, they shouldn't have left. The weather's perfect right now. It's absolutely perfect right now.
Flaps up.
All right.
Dad, how did I do? I'm gonna fly the P-51 again. Wait, that one? The one that you built?
All right.
No.
Good job, Mikey.
Thanks. Sorry.
Nope, I'm staying until almost sunset. This is the best weather.